Overriding and implementation are two concepts related to polymorphism. These concepts are used when working with inheritance and interfaces. Polymorphism can happen when a child class changes the behavior of a method it gets from its parent class. This is called method overriding. Polymorphism can also happen when different classes provide their own versions of the same method name from an interface. This is called interface implementation. Overriding allows a child class to write its own version of a method that is already defined in the parent class. The override keyword must be used to show that the method is replacing the one in the parent class. Implementation means writing code from scratch to make something work. Implementation refers to two things: the implementation of all methods in an interface, and the implementation of all abstract methods in an abstract class. Both classes and structs can implement interfaces. When a class or struct implements an interface, it must provide concrete definitions for all methods declared in that interface. When a class derives from an abstract class, it must implement all abstract methods, and it also inherits implementations of all non-abstract methods defined in that abstract class.